All right, Graham, I got another question here.
Hit me with it.
Hit me with it.
Hit me with the questions. Bring them all to me.
All right, so this is in regards to a family buying a home in Calgary, and they wanted to know if there are any known issues that they should be aware of.
Well, if you're buying a family home in Calgary, like this is one of the greatest places in the country to raise a family. We've got lots of schools, we've got lots of parks, we've got Fish Creek Park, lots of outdoor rinks. This is and very affordable houses, when compared to the rest of the big cities in Canada. So you're looking at buying a house in Calgary, probably family homes. You're looking at suburbia. There's about a belt that goes around the city that is perfect family homes. You're looking at neighborhoods like Mackenzie Lake, Mackenzie Town, Douglasdale, Sundance, Somerset, Hawkwood, Edgemont, Arbor Lake. These are just some of the amazing communities that you can buy houses in Calgary that are great. You have a perfect 2-story house, close to schools. Now, there are going to be some issues with buying these houses. Most of these communities are looking at 25 to 35-year-old houses. Now, issues that you're going to find with these houses is some of them will need new roofs. A lot of them are due for a furnace upgrade. When you're rocking a 30-year-old furnace, your efficiency is going to be costing you hundreds of dollars a month in the winter on your gas bills, where a new high-efficiency furnace will cut that at least in half, if not even more. The roofing. Get your home inspector to check for the roof. I always see failed roofs. I live in a community in Cranston here, and I find that a lot of roofs when I'm doing walks around the neighborhood are about ready to go. And this community's built in 2005 till even now they're still building homes in here. So we've got a 20-year-old community here, and roofs fail. The other things you want to look for, hot water tanks are pretty typical. They last 10 to 15 years. So that's going to be needed to be changed likely. Foundation issues are dependent on your area. Take a look. And the biggest issue that you're going to find is the polybutylene piping. Every home in Calgary built between 85 and 97 has poly-B piping. You're going to have an issue trying to get home insurance on these. Not many insurers want to give home insurance, but don't fret, you can still get home insurance. You just need to get the piping replaced, usually within 60 to 90 days. Typical cost on something like that is going to be $15,000 to $20,000 for the full remediation. Typical cost on a furnace is going to be, off the top of my head, I think $6,000 to $12,000, depending on the stage of your furnace, single stage, dual stage, 3-stage furnace. Roof costs are, up in the air. Cost of materials has changed quite drastically, but we're probably looking at a wide range of $10,000 to $20,000 for a new roof. And foundation cracks can be a simple fix, or they could be a full-on restoration. But these are things you should be looking for. Don't fret. It's totally worth the cost of doing all these repairs is worth getting the homes in these areas. So if you were looking at a new home in suburbia Calgary, those would be some of the main issues I would be looking for. Hope that helps. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the videos. If you did, please like and subscribe down below. And if you have any more questions, hit me up in the comment section and we'll make more videos. Thanks, guys.